Hello friends! Today, I'll use the word book in A1 level sentences, dialogues, and a story to help you improve your English. Let's start. A1 level sentences. I have a big book on my table, and I read it every day. My friend gives me a new book, and it is very interesting. The book in the library is old, but I like it a lot. She writes a small book about her life, and it is fun to read. We buy a red book from the store, and it has many pictures. He opens his book in class, and the teacher helps him. The book on the shelf is blue, and it talks about animals. I see a funny book at school, and I laugh when I read it. My mom reads a book to me at night, and I feel happy. They find a heavy book in the bag, and it is about history. A1 level dialogue.
Hello, Sarah. Do you like books?
Hi, Ali. Yes, I like books a lot. Do you have a book now?
Yes, I have a big book in my bag. It is about cars.
Oh, cars. That sounds fun. I have a book too. It is about animals.
Animals are nice. Is your book big or small?
It is small, but it has many pictures. I look at it every day.
Cool. My book has pictures too, but it is very heavy.
Heavy books are hard to carry. Do you read it at home?
Yes, I read it on my bed. Where do you read your book?
I read my book in the garden. The sun is nice there.
That sounds good. Do you have more books at home?
Yes, I have 5 books. One is about birds, one is about fish, and one is about flowers.
Wow, 5 books. I only have 2. My other book is about planes.
Planes are fast. Do you want to see my bird book tomorrow?
Yes, I want to. Can I bring my car book to show you?
Of course. We can look at our books together after school.
Great. Do you like funny books too?
Yes, funny books make me laugh. Do you have one?
No, but my friend has a funny book. I can ask him for it.
Okay, ask him. We can read it together with our books.
Good idea. What is your favorite book, Sarah?
My favorite book is the one about animals. It has a story about a big lion.
A lion. That's cool. My favorite book is the car one because I like fast cars.
Fast cars are exciting. Do you read your book with your dad?
Yes, my dad likes cars too. He reads the book with me at night.
Nice. My mom reads my animal book with me. She likes the pictures.
Does your mom know about lions?
Yes, she knows a lot. He tells me stories about animals from the book.
That's fun. My dad tells me about old cars from his book.
Old cars, are they slow?
Some are slow, but some are fast. The book says they are special.
Special cars sound interesting. Do you want to write a book one day?
Yes, maybe a book about cars and planes together. What about you?
I want to write a book about animals in the forest. It can have big pictures.
I like that. We can show our books to the teacher too.
Yes, the teacher likes books. She can help us with our stories.
True. Okay, I will bring my car book tomorrow, and we can talk more.
Perfect. I will bring my animal book and the bird one. See you, Ali.
See you. Sarah, don't forget your books.
A1 level fairy tale. The magic book in the forest. Once there was a small village near a big forest. In this village, 2 children lived, Mia and Tom. Mia was a happy girl with long hair, and Tom was a smart boy who loved adventures. One day, they walked into the forest to play. In the forest, they saw many trees and birds. The sun was bright, and the wind was soft. Mia said, "Look, Tom, what is that? Under a big tree, there was an old book." It was not a normal book. It was big, red, and shiny. Tom said, "Wow, a book. Let's open it." They sat on the grass and opened the book. The pages were yellow and the words were small, but then something magic happened. A little fairy came out of the book. She had wings and a green dress. She smiled and said, "Hello, Mia and Tom. I am Leela, the fairy of this book." Mia asked, "Why are you in a book?" Leela said, "This is a magic book. Long ago, a good wizard made it. He put me here to help children." If you read the book, I can take you to fun places. Tom said, Really, can we go now? Leela said, Yes, turn the page. Mia turned the first page, and suddenly, they were in a new place. It was a land with big mountains and a blue river. Mia said, This is beautiful. Tom said, Look, a boat. They ran to the boat and went on the river. The water was cold, but they laughed and played. After the river, Leela said, Turn the next page. Tom turned the page, and now they were in a jungle. Tall trees and funny monkeys were everywhere. A monkey gave Mia a banana and she said, Thank you. Tom climbed a tree and said, This is fun. They stayed in the jungle for hours. Then Leela said, One more page. Mia turned the page, and they were in a castle. The castle was big, with gold doors and red chairs. A kind king came and said, Welcome. Do you like my home? Tom said, Yes, it's amazing. The king gave them cake and juice. They ate and talked with him. But soon the sun went down. Leela said, It's time to go home. Close the book. Mia closed the book, and they were back in the forest. The book was quiet now. Leela said, You can keep the book. Read it when you want a new adventure. Tom asked, Will you come with us again? Leela smiled and said, Yes, I am always in the book. Mia and Tom walked home with the magic book. Every day after school, they opened it and went to new places. Sometimes they saw dragons, sometimes they saw stars, and sometimes they saw big cities. The book was their best friend. One day, Mia said, Tom, this book is special. Let's tell our friends. Tom said, Good idea. They can come too. So they showed the book to their friends, and all the children in the village had fun with Leela and the magic book. The forest was not just a forest anymore, it was a place of stories and dreams. And every night, Mia and Tom put the book under their bed. They smiled and said, Tomorrow, a new story. The magic book stayed with them, and they were never bored again. Question and answer. Where did Mia and Tom live? What did Mia and Tom see under a tree? Who came out of the book? What did Leela wear? Who made the magic book? Where did Mia and Tom go first in the book? What did they do on the river? What was the second place in the book? What did a monkey give to Mia? Where did they go after the jungle? Who welcomed them in the castle? What did the king give Mia and Tom? How did Mia and Tom go back home? What did Mia and Tom do with the book every day? Who did they show the book to later? Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you learned something new. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go check out my other videos too. See you next time. Go have a great day.